Hello, continuing on with the declutter of my makeup. We're doing the powders today, and that will be the everything for this shelf that sits right in front of me. So that might be where we stop for today recording if you've been watching the other three. Alright, I don't need these. As you can see, everything's a mess back here. Alright, so on this one, it's a little hard. We're starting out with 33, but there's problems. Because if they are sealed, they are good for 36 months on a lot of them once you open them. On some of them, not so much. So, but then there's the issue of what's wrong with them once they go bad. Anyways, we're going to go through these first, and I'm going to go ahead and grab the ones that I use constantly as of a normal basis right now. And I use this Ciate London Vacay one every day. Usually this smells like coconut. I've been using it a lot. That's one I use quite often. Another one that should still be good and that I like is the Wet n Wild one right here. It's a large jar. That is still good. OPV I just got not too long ago, but it's got a yellow tint to it. So that's on the maybe pile. This is medium. So actually, no, this isn't my shade. I'm not going to sit here and waste it. So we're going to put it over there. That's how we're going to do this. This Laura Mercier one. Love it. One of my favorites. It's the translucent setting powder ultra blur. It's her new one. I love that one. Alright, Morphe powder. I haven't reached for this in quite some time. So being honest, I'm just going to go ahead and declutter it. Alright, Pretty Vulgar. Is Pretty Vulgar even in business anymore? Does anyone know? I love this powder though, but I don't reach for it as much as I would like. This is one of my favorites, Ride or Die. I think it's almost empty. It's the LA Girl powder. I love this one. It's one of my absolute hands down favorite. This is another Laura Mercier. This is the original one, and it's in a deluxe travel size. Like I've always said, if you're not sure you're gonna like something, that is a good size to get. I love this Anastasia powder. It's also in a deluxe size. Do I want to keep these on their side anymore? Let's see how many I get rid of. If I get rid of a lot, I'm gonna get rid of this little. I have like this little thing that Eric's Trains came in one time. I might take them out of that. This Tarte Rainforest of the Sea powder. I like this one. I mean, not Rainforest of the Sea, Rainforest powder. I like that. Milani, I don't reach for this one anymore. And it's shade 1, translucent light to medium. But I don't reach for it. There's Private Society one. I don't reach for that one either. Makeup Revolution. Not sure what kind this was. Translucent setting powder, talc free, no flashback, water resistant. Alright. Keep that one. Revolution Pro. This is a Hydra Matte. I'm not sure. Let's keep that and see. I don't know how Hydra and matte go together, but I've obviously not looked at this one. So I'm probably going to say that's the first time I've opened it, even though it shows it to have been opened. So we're going to put that right there. It Cosmetics, love this powder. It's Bye Bye Pores. It's a wonderful powder. Makeup Forever. This is a sample size, and it has not been opened. So let's be honest with myself. I'm going to keep this Hourglass one. Things that have not been opened, I'm going to leave right here. Candid Powder by Revlon. I don't use this. Obviously, because I do believe... Oh, no. Okay. This is still good then. I'm going to go ahead and give that away. It is good. Yeah, it's still good. It's the Candid Revlon powder. Okay. Dollar General Believe. That is not my color. How did I end up with that? Light medium. That is not my color. It's either turned or, you know what? There's a chance that turned. Okay. Elf Halo Powder. Love it. Another one of my favorites. I don't reach for it all the time though. Soft Luminous Powder by Elf. I like that one too. The Elf powders are very, very good. Just letting you know. And this is Sheer Powder by Elf. I love all of these. I have 3 Elf powders. Okay, Sephora, brand new. Like it. AOA, Perfect. I'm going to keep that because that's a good dollar option. Alright, Pretty Vulgar. Becca. Soft Light Blurring Powder. What shade? Golden Hour. Oh, where did I get this? Oh, that's definitely... I mean, let's be honest. That's not my shade. I would rather give that to someone who could get use out of it. Pure. I've had this for a while and it's definitely done. We're going to go ahead and... That's like done. One. Okay, Becca powder. I think this is another one of those Hydra type things. Soft Light Blurring Powder. Oh, no, okay. It's the same as that. But this is Soft Light. Alright. We have Derma Blend. Keep that one. We have Beauty Bakery. I haven't used that one, I don't think. I'm going to keep that one. We have Too Faced. I like this one. It's almost gone. And we have a Laura Mercier that hasn't been opened. And I have a full size one over here. So we have Makeup Revolution. I mean, Makeup Forever. We're keeping Too Faced, Becca, Flower. Okay. Pretty Vulgar. Alright, Ulfra. Banana powder. I don't use it. Someone else might. Undone Beauty. I do like this one. Over. As a compact. I need something. Let's see. Can we put them all on here? Is there something we could change? Wet and Wild. No, we're going to have to put them in here. Alright. Let's see what we got. So we got 1, 2, 3. Hold on. 1, 2. One, that one's not even touching the ground. Put this one here. We can put that one there. Along with that one. This one. Along with this one. That one. See if I can fit them all in this thing. 1, 2. No, I can't. Okay. Anyways, let's count how many we're keeping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We're keeping 20. I need to find a way to stick them in here because... Oh, 21. Keeping 21. There's got to be a way to set these up. Anyways, I'm going to keep them like that for now. $21 is what we're keeping. So powder, keep 21. We're getting rid of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'm getting rid of 11. 12. It must be 12. Because that's the only way equals. Okay. So we got rid of 12. We're keeping 21. And we started with 33. So, I mean, we didn't do great, but we did good. So I'm going to go ahead and put all these in their respective places where they're going to go to live out the rest of their lives, either in a trash dump or with someone else's makeup. So love y'all. See you in the next one. Bye.